How Edmonton began, the middle. Far away, in another part of the world, in a place called Europe, people were getting curious about other places in their world. Two countries, France and England, became very curious about this place, Canada. They would sail in big sailing ships all across the Atlantic Ocean to come and explore here. They started by exploring the eastern parts of Canada first. One of the many things they discovered in exploring Canada was that our country had many furry animals. Furry animals were wonderful for making warm clothes out of, and the people of France and England, they needed warm clothes for their chilly winters. One of our special little animals that lived here in Canada is the beaver. Beavers have a wonderful fur that keeps them warm and dry when they swim in the water. When the French and English people found out about beavers and their remarkable fur, they thought that hats made out of beaver fur would be wonderful. Now, the French and English, they did not have the skill to hunt or trap large numbers of beavers and other animals. So they communicated with the First Nations people who lived here, who were very good at hunting and trapping beavers. They told them that they wanted the furs of these animals. The First Nations people, they agreed to hunt and to trap the animals like beavers for the French and English, but they wanted things in return, things that they could trade, things that they did not have and that they could not make for themselves, things that they saw the European people had that they had never seen before, that could make their lives easier and nicer. Things, for example, like metal pots and pans, like tools, such as axes and knives, guns for hunting, matches for starting fires, and colorful beads for decorating their clothing. This was how the fur trade began.